Hello, and so this is the last video of week 10, and we'll be talking about the Indian convention industry, embracing the legacy. We'll be covering topics such as emerging trends in the country, considering emerging trends in the tourism industry for convention centers, inbound tourism, outbound tourism, global impact of conferences before concluding. Introduction. In the dynamic realm of the global tourism industry, convention centers and conferences stand as vital contributors, shaping the narrative of travel experiences and economic landscapes. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, these multifaceted hubs play a transformative role in leading the tourism industry, both in the vibrant tapestry of India and across the globe. Convention centers and conferences emerge as key drivers by providing a nexus for diverse cultures and ideas, fostering tourism through the allure of knowledge exchange and networking opportunities. Beyond their role as mere venues, these hubs serve as catalysts for cultural exchange, offering the platform where individuals from different backgrounds converge to share perspectives and traditions. Moreover, they become instrumental in fueling economic growth, as the influx of visitors for conferences stimulates local businesses and enhances job opportunities. The collaborative nature of conferences also extends to global cooperation, fostering connections and partnerships that transcend geographical boundaries. This introduction sets the stage for a comprehensive exploration of the profound influence of convention centers and conferences on the multifaceted dimensions of tourism, encompassing cultural enrichment, economic vitality, and international collaboration. Emerging trends in the industry. Convention centers in India are akin to vibrant threads, intricately weaving together unique experiences, innovations, and dreams. In recent years, these dynamic hubs have witnessed the emergence of several notable trends that reflect the evolving landscape of the country's event and conference industry. Firstly, there is a noticeable shift towards sustainability, with an increasing emphasis on eco friendly practices and green initiatives within convention centers. This aligns with a broader global movement towards environmentally conscious events. Additionally, the integration of cutting edge technology is transforming the way conferences are conducted in India. From virtual participation options to advanced event management tools, technology is fostering greater accessibility and engagement. The rise of hybrid events combining both physical and virtual elements is another prominent trend, catering to diverse attendee preferences and global accessibility. Furthermore, there is a growing focus on inclusivity, with efforts to make convention centers more accessible to individuals with disabilities and to promote diversity in event programming. These emerging trends collectively paint a picture of a dynamic and forward thinking convention industry in India, where innovation and inclusivity play pivotal roles in shaping the future of conferences and events. They offer a diverse range of experiences. Architectural marvels. Some centers are like stunning landmarks, reflecting the rich cultural and historical background of their locations. Tech savvy hubs. Others lead the way in technology, becoming hubs designed for events driven by tech, conferences, and exhibitions. Despite their differences, all convention centers share some common features. Commitment to excellence. Every center is committed to excellence, ensuring that the events they host meet the highest standards. Innovation. There is a shared emphasis on innovation, whether through adopting advanced technologies, sustainable practices, or introducing new event formats. Attendee experience. Regardless of their uniqueness, all centers prioritize creating a memorable experience for attendees, making sure every visitor feels fulfilled. Additionally, they have unique aspects. Cultural integrations. Some centers seamlessly blend local culture into their events, creating a unique mix of tradition and modernity, and offering an immersive experience for attendees. Specialized offerings. Others cover niche by catering to a specific industry or types of events, providing tailored solutions to meet diverse requirements. Regional representation. Many centers become platforms showcasing the diverse cultures of different regions, fostering unity in diversity. They create an environment where people from various backgrounds can come together and appreciate the rich tapestry of India. In a sense, these convention centers are not just venues, they are dynamic entities contributing uniquely to India's cultural, technological, and industrial landscape. Each center, with its distinct features, becomes a vital thread in the rich fabric that defines the nation's diverse and ever evolving event sector. Considering emerging trends in the tourism industry for convention centers. With the tourism industry evolving, convention centers are adapting to new trends like sustainable practices. Many centers are adopting eco-friendly initiatives, meeting the growing demand for environmentally conscious events. Also, virtual and hybrid events, embracing digital platforms and hybrid models to broaden reach, providing flexible event experiences. There are also wellness spaces, designing spaces for wellness, recognizing the importance of health and well-being for event attendees. Cultural exchange, enhancing cultural integration, recognizing the value of showcasing India's rich heritage to a global audience. Specialized collaborations, exploring collaborations with specific industries to diversify the convention landscape and tap into emerging sectors. Then let us see how convention centers are evolving in a new events landscape. Convention centers are undergoing a significant transformation in response to the evolving landscape of events, driven by the need for public space enhancement and the integration of new features to adapt to changing demands. The following points highlight key areas of evolution in convention centers. Public space enhancement. Enhanced circulation. To facilitate smoother movement and reduce congestion, convention centers are focusing on improved circulation patterns within their spaces. Additional space in the lobbies, expanding lobby areas to provide more room for networking, exhibitions, and various event activities. New spaces, flexible outdoor space. Recognizing the importance of outdoor settings, convention centers are incorporating flexible outdoor spaces for events, providing a breath of fresh air for attendees. Spaces designed for wellness, integration of spaces promoting well-being such as relaxation zones and areas for physical activities. There are also spaces designed for remote work, dedicated areas for attendees to work away from their offices, offering a conducive environment for productivity. Unique and recognizable design elements for hybrid events. Creating visually distinct elements in spaces that host hybrid events, blending physical and virtual components seamlessly. Improvement to touch points. Antimicrobial materials. utilizing materials with antimicrobial properties to enhance cleanliness and reduce the risk of surface transmission. Hands-free fixtures. Implementing hands-free fixtures in restrooms and other common areas to minimize physical contact. Operational response. Develop comprehensive operational plans and responses to address unforeseen challenges effectively. Technology enhancements. Holistic event apps. Introducing comprehensive event applications that offer a seamless experience for attendees, incorporating features like schedules, maps, and networking opportunities. Online registration. Streamlining the registration process through online platforms for convenience and efficiency. Enhanced Wi-Fi. Upgrading Wi-Fi infrastructure to accommodate the increased demand for virtual participation and connectivity. Cashless payments. Encouraging cashless transactions within the venue to enhance efficiency and reduce physical contact. Mobile tickets. Transitioning to mobile ticketing systems for a more convenient and contactless entry process. Improved air quality. Implementing measures to enhance indoor air quality, including improved ventilation systems and air purification technologies. These adaptations signify a comprehensive approach to modernizing convention centers, aligning with the changing expectations and requirements of event organizers and attendees in a rapidly evolving events landscape. Inbound tourism, attracting global attention, brand exposure, and global visibility. Hosting international conferences brings global attention to the host country or city. The event itself, along with media coverage and promotional activities, provides a platform for the destination to showcase its strengths, achievements, and unique characteristics. This exposure can lead to increased international awareness and interest, positively impacting the country's or city's brand image on the global stage. Diversification of tourism offerings. Inbound conferences often attract diverse groups of professionals and delegates. This diversity can stimulate the local economy by encouraging the development of a broad range of tourism offerings. As a result, the destination may witness the growth of niche markets such as culinary tourism, cultural tours, and adventure tourism. This diversification not only caters to the varied interests of conference attendees, but also attracts a more extensive range of tourists in the long run. Stimulating local businesses. Beyond the immediate impact on tourism, related industries, inbound conferences can benefit local businesses. Retailers, artisans, and small businesses have the opportunity to showcase and sell their products to an international audience. This direct interaction with visitors can boost sales and contribute to the economic vitality of the local community. Fostering innovation and knowledge-based economy. The growth of international professionals for conferences can contribute to the host country's innovation and knowledge-based economy. Networking opportunities and collaborations may lead to the exchange of ideas, partnerships, and even the establishment of international research initiatives. This, in turn, fosters an environment of innovation and supports the development of a knowledge-based economy. Enhanced educational and research facilities. To host high-profile international conferences, there is often a need for state-of-the-art facilities, including conference centers, research institutions, and academic venues. This not only benefits the hosting of conferences, but also improves the overall educational and research infrastructure of the destination. The upgraded facilities can attract more educational events, further contributing to the exchange of knowledge and expertise. Legacy and long-term benefits. Successful hosting of major conferences can create a lasting legacy for the host destination. The improved infrastructure heightens global visibility, and positive experiences shared by conference attendees can contribute to the sustained growth of tourism and economic activities. The legacy of hosting international events can continue to attract future conferences, events, tourists, ensuring ongoing benefits for the host destination. Outbound tourism, exploring global horizons. Technology transfer and innovation. International conferences often serve as platforms for the exchange of technological advancements and innovative ideas. Outbound professionals attending these conferences may witness and learn about cutting-edge technologies and best practices in their respective industries. The knowledge gained abroad can contribute to technological transfer and innovation in their home country, fostering advancements in various sectors. Global partnerships and collaborations. Beyond individual networking, outbound conferences facilitate the establishment of global partnerships and collaborations at the organizational level. Businesses and institutions can explore opportunities for joint ventures, research initiatives, and strategic alliances. These collaborations have the potential to drive innovation, create synergies, and contribute to the growth of both outbound and international partner entities. Market intelligence and strategic planning. Attendees of outbound conferences often gather valuable market intelligence about global trends, consumer preferences, and emerging markets. This information is crucial for businesses to adapt their strategies and stay competitive in a rapidly changing global landscape. Outbound professionals bring back insights that can inform strategic planning, helping businesses make informed decisions for market expansion and diversification. Cultural diplomacy. Outbound tourism for conferences fosters cultural diplomacy as professionals interact with international counterparts. Building relationships beyond business transactions, understanding cultural nuances, and respecting diversity become integral parts of these interactions. This not only enhances international business relationships, but also contributes to positive perceptions of the outbound professionals and their home country on the global stage. Skill transfer and capacity building. The exposure to global trends and practices during outbound conferences contributes to the skill development of outbound professionals. They bring back not only knowledge, but also enhanced skills and capabilities, which can be shared within their organizations and industries. This skill transfer and capacity building contribute to the overall professional development and competitiveness of the workforce in their home country. Social and environmental responsibility. Outbound professionals, by attending conferences abroad, may become more aware of global, social, and environmental issues. This awareness can influence their business practices and corporate social responsibility initiatives. Companies may incorporate sustainable practices and ethical consideration into their operations, contributing to global efforts for a more responsible and sustainable business environment. Global impact of conferences shaping the worldwide tourism landscape. Collaborations and partnerships. Conferences act as platforms for forging global alliances and promoting collaborative efforts in addressing global challenges. International initiatives and joint initiatives projects emerge from discussions at global conferences impacting tourism on a worldwide scale. Sustainable practices. The global sustainability goals. Conferences worldwide emphasize sustainable practices, influencing the tourism industry to adopt eco-friendly initiatives. Environmental impact. The global discourse on sustainability in conferences contributes to responsible tourism practices worldwide. Event tourism. Destination events. Mega conferences become destination events, attracting attendees globally and contributing to the economies of host countries. Tourism boost. The growth of conference attendees boosts tourism in host cities, leaving a lasting impact on local economies. Coming to the conclusion, the interconnected world of tourism and conferences. In conclusion, the influence of convention centers and conferences transcends the boundaries of individual nations, leaving a profound impact on both inbound and outbound tourism. These venues act as crucial bridges connecting nations, contributing to economic growth, fostering cultural understanding, and promoting global collaboration. Whether drawing global attention to the rich heritage of India or enabling professionals to explore international horizons, these events play a pivotal role in shaping the worldwide tourism landscape. The intricate relationship between conferences and tourism underscores the interconnectedness of our globalized world. In this landscape, knowledge, culture, and economic opportunities flow seamlessly across borders, highlighting the importance of these dynamic hubs in facilitating a deeper understanding between diverse societies. As convention centers continue to evolve and innovate, their role as catalysts for international engagement becomes increasingly crucial, reflecting the shared commitment to creating a more interconnected and collaborative global community. So, students, in this week, we have covered all about important convention and conference centers in India, their similarities, differences, and of course, their uniqueness. Next week will be about MICE tourism events.